This guy seems to know what he's doing.
Well,
hopefully. Hey, we're moving in the right direction.
it's for zip lining and ATVs.
Okay, yeah.
Tours, yeah.
Any gringos live out here?
Sí, claro. All kinds of gringos are living around here.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
One of those one-way bridges.
Yep.
Mi amigo Dino, back to the races.
Here we are.
Here we are.
Back in the saddle again.
Yeah, exactly. Isn't that nice? Across the river. That's it.
Is it? That's Turkle's River?
That was the river that. Tipwood.
Yeah.
Tipwood Plantation. Man, you know what? Montana home will look pretty here. With all those trees.
I went insane like a smoke ring day when the wind blows. Now I won't be back till later on if I do.
I like this road better than the goddamn beach stop.
I know. I was going to say, gee.
This is a nice little tour.
Yeah.
Thank you, Hardy.
Well, this is going to cost you 20% more.
20%.
Yeah. Well, because I know you guys it's going to be only 10.
In a strange
Want to take us up
game,
on
I saw myself as you knew me. When the change came and you had a chance to see through me.
Always is
For the
smartphone.
other side is just the same. You can't
What'd you
tell
expect
my
anything else?
dream is real. Because I love
Marty, do you know where I can buy tires?
No, I don't really.
Can you see me
Marty,
now?
you know a good welder? No, I don't.
Oh, we rush ahead to save our time. We are only what we feel. And I love you. Can you
Smile,
feel
Dino.
it
You're on candid
now?
camera.
Yes.
Váyase más para abajo, está pegado, huevo.
That's it.
Haga su toque más para adelante, usted más loco. Hágase para adelante, no puede. Ahí le van a dar, man.
You asked me to read this letter that you wrote the night before. And you really should know better, cause she's what
Ay, que si es el chofer de ese carro, man.
you know you can't run away and hide.
¿Qué se hizo el mae? El chofer de...
To see her cry, is that why you won't go and say goodbye? Then you said the fault was yours, and you really were to blame. Was as if to close the doors and to hide away in shame. Brother, you know you can't run away and hide. Is it you don't want to see her cry? Is that why?
Go,
you won't
dickhead.
and say
There you
goodbye?
go. Finally, get the fuck out of here.
Yes, and
Asshole.
why? Tell me why? Can't you see that it's not right? It's a lie. It's a lie. Don't hide your sorrow in the night. Brother, you know you can't run away and hide. Is it you don't want to see her cry? Is that why you won't go and say goodbye?
Bueno, ¿cómo? No puede subir. ¿Pero a dónde?
And I know the pain is double, but for her it's even worse. You must face her with the trouble, though it's hurting like a curse. Brother, you know you can't run away and hide. Is it you don't want to see her cry? Is that why you won't go and say goodbye? Brother, you know you can't run away and hide. Is it you don't want to see her cry? Is that why you won't go and say goodbye?
Vive la salida ahí. Pero viera muchacha que ahí para atrás está feo. Ahí para abajo.
Here we go.
That's what we need.
You asked me to read this letter that you wrote the night before, and you really should know.
Cambio ese por este, se lo cambio.
Brother, you know you can't
Okay.
don't want to see her cry. Is that why you won't go and say goodbye?
Facebook.
Good goal.
Then you said the fault was yours, and you
está
really
feo,
wanted to blame.
Qué despacio.
Was as if to close the doors and to hide away in shame. Brother,
Está bien.
you know you can't run away and hide. Is it you don't want to see her cry? Is that why you won't go and say goodbye? Yes, and why? Tell me why?
Why for?
Can't you see that it's not right? It's a lie.
I do for friends.
It's a lie.
Damn
Don't
it.
hide your sorrow in the night. Brother, you know you can't run away and hide. Is it you don't want to see her cry? Is that why you won't go and say goodbye?
It's funny, isn't it? Yeah, this is great.
Looks like we're
No pasa. No pasa ya, mi amor. En este carrito no pasa nada más.
And I know the pain is double, but for her it's even worse. You must face her with the trouble, though it's hurting like a curse. Brother, you know you can't run away and hide. Is it you don't want to see her cry? Is that why you won't go and say goodbye?
look out. Thump thump.
Brother, you know you can't run away and hide.
They're blockbuster
If you
cars.
don't want
Yeah.
to see her cry, is that why
What goes up must come down, right, Hardy?
go and say goodbye?
Lose some momentum, you know? I lose my momentum here.
That's a nice place, huh?
Very
Ah, finally on the road. It must have cleared up because I don't see any traffic back this far.